Hello students, today we have to move for the exercise 5.1. First sum it is, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The radii of two circles, if you are taken a two circles like that, so one radii is 19 centimeter and the another radii is 9 centimeter. Okay, 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which is having a circumference. So if one more circle if we are taken, so this circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. Okay, which circle we have taken, that circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. We know the formula for circumference of the circles, which is the circumference of the circle. So that is, let us take, this is the circle 1 C1 and this is the C2. Circumference of the main circle is C. Okay, so let us say take a C equal to, C means circumference. Here the sum of these two circles, C1 plus C2. Okay, the circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circle they has given. Circumference formula we know, which is the 2 pi r. Okay, C means circumference of the big circle, that equal to the circumference of these two circles, sum of that. Okay, let us take this 2 pi circumference r1 plus 2 pi and the circumference circle 2 radius, it will be 2 pi r2. Okay, so 2 pi r equals, so if we are taken 2 pi common here, it will become a r1 plus r2, right? Okay, it will become what? R1 plus R2. So 2 pi on both the side it will be cancelled. Then the r equal radius of that thing only, find the radius of this circle they will ask us to find. Okay, so this should be question mark. So r equals r1 plus r2. R1 is how much? They has given 19 plus and r2 is 9. Okay, 19 plus 9. So r equals 19 plus 9 will be 28. So the radius of the circle is, of this circle is 28 centimeter. The radius of the circle is how much? 28 centimeter. Hope you will understand this. C means here, C nothing but the circumference. You can write here if you had a doubt here, C equal to circumference. Okay, yes, what I have marked. This is a C1, circle 1 circumference, and this is a circle 2 circumference. Circumference formula we want to substitute there. Next, in the same way, here they are asking giving a circumference, here they are giving a areas. Okay, in the same way it is, the radii of two circle is 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let us take the two circle. One radii is 8 centimeter and one more radii is 6 centimeter. They only given. Okay, find the radius of the circles having a area equal to the, here circumference is equal, here the areas is equal. Let us take, this is the area of a circle 1 and this is the area of a circle 2 and this is the one more circle area what we required. This is a. Okay, we can write here the same, it is sum of the areas of two circles, area of this circle, area of this circle equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles, that is the A1 plus A2. A means here area, there C means circumference, here A means what? Area. So write the formula for area. Area we know that, which is the formula, that is nothing but the pi r square. So here area of circle 1 is pi r 1 square we have to take, because circle 1 formula radius will be r1 plus a2 is pi r2 square. Here we are taken the radius 2. Okay, so here pi r square equals, so we can take, pi it is. Okay, pi r2 square. So here also we can take pi will be the common, that will become r1 square plus r2 square. Pi get cancelled. The r square equal to, r1 is how much? Substitute the value, that is the 8 square plus r2 square is 6 square. So r square equals 8 8 is 64 plus 6 6 is 36. keep in mind. 64 plus 36, how much it is? 100 centimeter. So r square equals 100, r square equals, the square number for 100 is 10 square, we can write, square square get cancelled. The radius, they are asked us to find the radius of the circle. The radius of a circle r equals 10 centimeter. So we can write the radius of the radius of the circle is how much here? 10 centimeter. Let us move for the third one. Figure 5.3 depicts an archery target. This is the archery target. I think you know about that, how the archery will be. The bow want to stick on the, bow want to say stick on this. So the target, this is the archery target. It is marked with its 5 scoring regions. One is the, it starts from gold, okay, then red, from a center it starts from gold, then red, then blue, then black, and then the white. The diameter of the region representing the golden score is 21 centimeter. The diameter in the sense, I think you know about that, 2 radius, d equal to 2r, okay, r equal to d divided by 2, that as taken as r1, okay, and represent gold score is 21. Each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So from there, from the circles radius circle 1 to other center will be 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of the each of the 5 scoring region. We want to find the area of the each circle here. 5 scoring region in the sense, we want to find out the area of the each circle region. I think, hope you will understand this, okay. The first radius as given, and each radius of the circle will be more than 10.5 centimeter wide, okay. So based on that, we have to take first this as gold as r1 and red as r2. Radius of the circle gold is r1, radius of the circle red is r2, and blue circle radius is r3, black circle radius is r4, and the white circle radius is r5, okay. Like that they has taken. First we have to take down the radius of gold circle. I mean it is the r1, okay, we are taking as r1. So that should be, the diameter has given 21. We have to take the radius r equal to d divided by 2. D diameter how much they has given? 21 divided by 2, nothing but the 10.5 centimeter. So radius of the gold circle is 10.5 centimeter. From there it should be wide as a 10.5. So next we have to take the radius of the next circle, which is that gold after radius of red circle. You can see here red circle. So that is the r2 is, so this thing we have to take first. I mean from here it will be widened 10.5. so this is the 10.5 plus 10.5. How much? 10.5 plus 20.5, we divided now here only, that is the nothing but the 21 centimeter, okay. So that nothing but the r2 equals 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21. Next is radius of red after blue circle. So that thing we are taking as r3, nothing but 21. From there to 10.5 wide, that is nothing but the 10.5. 21 plus 10.5 is 31.5 centimeter. Next we have to calculate the radius of blue after black circle, that is the r4. So from here we want to add 10.5 for this, that is the 31.5 plus 10.5, nothing but r3 plus 10.5, r1 plus 10.5, r2 plus 10.5, like that. So 31.5 plus 10.5 is 42 centimeter. Next is radius of black after last circle, it is, that is the white circle. So that we should take as r5. r5 is 42 plus 10.5. So 42 plus 10.5, it should be 52 for 52.5. 5 centimeter. So all these are the radius. Let us calculate. Now they ask us to calculate the areas of each circle. So first we have to take the area of gold circle. We have to take that first, which is that area of gold circle, that as a pi r1 we are taking now for that radius, pi r1 square. Okay, that nothing but what, pi r1 square. So pi value we know that 22/7 into r1 we got there 10.5, right? Okay, r1 square in the sense r square, r into r, nothing but the 10.5 into 10.5. we want to multiply the radius twice. Okay, 22/7 into 10.5 into 10.5. so if we divide this, 7 ones are, so remaining will be 3, 35, 7 5s are, 7 5s are 35, and 3, 7 ones are 7, plus 3, 10. Okay, 1.5. so 22 into 10.5 into 1.5, the answer we can get. So if you will multiply this, you will get the, so let us multiply this, 22 into 10.5 or 10.5 into 1.5. first we have to multiply 10.5 into 1.5. so 15, from leave the point. So first you have to multiply, then after we can put a point. 15 5s are 75, 7, 15 zeros are 0, that should be 7, 15 ones are 15. so here point after one number is there, here point after one number, 1 plus 1, 2 numbers. Leave from right side, you have to leave the two numbers 1 2 and put a point. 15.75 into one more is there, that is the 22. so how much we can get, 22. so if it is not possible to do by the double number, you can do by say single. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, again the same answer we can get here also, or we can write the same, 0 5 1 0 5 1 3. Okay, later we can put the point, 0 5 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 1 4, and 3 346. Point after two numbers are there, leave two numbers and write. so you will get the 346.50 or 346.5. area should be mentioned, it is given in a centimeter square, that is the unit of the area. Next we have to find out the area of, in the same way, gold after. next way, which color it is, the area of the, I think you know about that, the area of the red color, right? Okay, we have to find out the area of red, it's a red circle, area of red circle. so that thing also, pi r, radius of that circle we are taken as r2, that is r2 square, nothing but 22/7 into r2 we got there 31.5. we can check, 21 into 21. okay, twice want to write, no, r square means 21 square, 21 into 21. okay, so if we what the sorry, this area pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, I mean that concentric, two concentric circles radii, that is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, that thing we have, that formula we want to take. so here, so sorry 1 minute. so here we can take a common pi, that will become a r2 square minus r1 square. so we can substitute the value, 22/7 into r2, I mean radius of the second circle is, we got 21 square, minus radius of the first circle we got 10.5 square, right? okay, 10.5 square, we can write like that. so that should be 22/7, So we can write this also as 21 square, I mean 21 into 21, like that we can do. So let us do the 21 into 21. How much we got? 21 into 21. So that is 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. From 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We got 1, 2 twos are 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4, 441. Here 22 by 7, 21 square means 441, minus 10.5 into 10.5, 10.5 into 10.5. okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry, 5 zeros, sorry 2 carry, 5 zeros are 0, 2 carry, 2, 5 ones are 5. So from 0 it will be 0 only, and from 1 it is 1 not 5 only. 1 5s are 5, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. 5, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 1 1. okay, so point, it should be point after here one number and here one number, leave 2 point, that is the 110.25, 110.25. So if we subtract the 441 minus 110.25, so we will get, let's do subtraction here. 441, 441.0, 110.25. one more number is there, you have to add one number. okay, so 10 minus 5 will be 5, 9 will be there, 9 minus 2 will be 7, and here 1 sorry, we already took the borrow 0. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is 3, that is the 330.75 we got here. How much we got? The area of 2, sorry, still it's not completed. 22 by 7 into 330.75, 330.75. so if we do the division here, 7 5s are 35, it is 7 4s are 28, 28 32 28 5 remainder, right? 28 plus 5 33, yes, 5 remainder 50, 7 7s are 49, 1 remainder 17, 7 2s are 14, 3 remainder, then 7 5s are 35. okay, so we got 47.25 into 22. so how to multiply the 47.25 into 22? So 47.25 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Same value we can get here, we can write like that only, sorry, 4 9, 9450, here also 9450, 0 5 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 4 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 9 will be 10. so finally we got 1039. point after two numbers are there, you have to put a point like that only. so finally we got 1039.50 centimeter square. This is the areas of the red circle. Next we have to move for to calculate the area of one more circle, red after blue. okay, area of blue circle. so here also we have to take areas of blue circle will be pi r2 square minus pi r1 square we took. Now pi r3 square, because radius of the blue circle is r3 square, minus that before is pi r2 square. okay, pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. so if we are taken a pi common here, it will become a r3 square minus r2 square. okay, substitute the values. 20, it will become 22 divided by 7 into r3. r3 how much we got finally? That is the 31.5, nothing but 31.5 square minus r2 how much we got? Nothing but the 10.5 square, 10.5 square, right? okay, So next step is 22 by 7. 31.5 square means 31.5 into 31.5. So let us multiply this. Or one more step we can do. That step also I'll teach you. I'll teach you which one it is easy for you. That thing we have to take. Okay, we can take 31.5 into 31.5, or it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square nothing but the a plus b into a minus b. We can write this as 31.5 plus 10.5 into 31.5 minus 10.5. So why I am writing here like that? Because a square minus b square equals this formula equals a plus b into a minus b. Okay, here a nothing but the 31.5 and b nothing but the 10.5. Okay, so this is a plus b into a minus b. Based on this formula I wrote like that, a plus b this is, and completely it is a minus b. So which method is easy, that thing you have to follow here. Okay, I'll teach you both the methods. Okay, no worry about that. So which of them is easy, that thing you have to follow. 22 by 7 into 31.5 plus 10.5 is, so 31.5 plus 10.5 is 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got here 42 into 31 minus 10.5, 31.5 minus 10.5. Okay, 5 minus 5 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 21 we got here. Okay, so in this bracket nothing but it will be 21, keep in mind. So 7 ones are 7 6 are 42. Okay, next will be 22, we got finally 22 into 6 into 21. Okay, not mandatory, keep in mind which is easy for you, that thing, or which you can understand very well, that method you can follow. I'll teach you both. I taught you both the method. So 22 into 6 into 21, let's multiply this. So we got here 22 into 6, 6 2s are so let's multiply here 22 into 6 into 21. So 22 into 6 is, first 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, right? 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13 into 21. So that is 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1. Then from 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are 2. So finally 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2. 2772 we got finally. Okay, how much we got here? That is the areas of blue circle. Keep in mind it is the area of blue circle. So finally you got 2772. 2772 centimeter square. Okay, keep in mind it's not mandatory, so you can use any one formula. Next, let's move forward to find out the areas of blue after. Next is black. I think you know about that. That is that thing we have to move. Area of black circle. Area of black circle. Okay, this is the area of black circle. So here we can take as area of black circle is pi r4 square. Okay, r4 square, because r4 is the radius of the black circle, minus that before is pi r3 square. Okay, pi r3 square. So pi we can take pi as a common here, pi into r4 square minus r3 square. Let us substitute the value. Pi is 22 by 7 into r4 nothing but we got here r4 is 42, right? 42 square minus r3 nothing but we got, that is the 31.5, right? r3 is 31.5 square. Okay, So next will be it is also in the same formula. Which formula? A plus b into a minus b we can use. So that equal to 22 by 7. Here I didn't write again the formula. You have to note down that according to a square minus b square, a plus b minus a minus b, I mean 42 plus 31.5 into 42 minus 31.5. Okay, 22 by 7, 42 plus 31.5. Let's calculate first. 42.0, point after one number is there, so that's why point after 1 0. 31.5. How much here? 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7. So finally we got 73.5 into 42 minus 42 minus 31.5. 10 minus 5 is 5, so 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 3 is 1. 10.5 we got here. Okay, so that finally 10.5. Okay, 22 by 7 into 73.5 into 10.5 we got finally. So from 7, if we do that, if we divide the 10.5 from 7, 7 ones are 7, 3 remainder, 7 fives are 35. So finally we got 22 into 73.5 into 1.5. Let's multiply this. Okay, first we have to multiply the 22 into 73.5 or 73.5 into 22.5 into 22. Both are same. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 7s are 14. Same we can write, because leave one number and write the same number. 4 1 we got 0 7 7, 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 1. So here point after one number is there, leave one number and write. So finally we got 1617.0, nothing but 1617 into 1.5, this thing, last one 1.5. So we got 15 zeros. We can do like that only. 15 zeros are 0, 15 sevens are, I think you know about that. 15 sevens are is 105, 10, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 1 10 is 25, 2, 15 6 are 90, 90 plus 2 is 92, 9, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 9 will be 24, right? So here point after one number, here point after one number, leave this and write. So finally we got 2425.50. Okay, so how much we got here? Finally 2425.50 centimeter square. This is the area of black circle. Let's calculate the last one, that is the area of which circle? Area of blue circle, white circle. Last one, it is area of white circle, which is having a radius 5. That is the nothing but pi r5 square minus that before circle will be pi r4 square. So if you have taken a pi common here, it will become r5 square minus r4 square. So nothing but it is pi value 22 by 7 and r5 value we got there 52.5. 52.5 square minus r4 we got there, that is the 42 square we can write as. So here also a plus b into a minus b formula we can use, that is 22 by 7. We can write this also as a plus b into a minus b, that nothing but the 52.5 plus 42 into 52.5 minus 42. So same method, 52.5 plus 42, how much we can get? You have to calculate that. I mean 52.5 plus 42 point after 1 0. Okay, point after how many zeros, how many point numbers are there, based on that we want to put a 0. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, finally we got here 22 by 7 into 94.5. this is that into bracket, nothing but the into. So if we do the subtraction, 52.5 minus 42.0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 10.5 we got here into 10.5. So if we do the division, 10.5 again we got here 1.5. 7 ones are 7, 3 35, 7 5s are. So finally we got 22 into 94.5 into 10.5. So if we do the multiplication here, 22 into 94.5 into 10.5, let's do the multiplication here. 94.5 into 22, so how much we can get here? So that nothing but the 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 9s are 18. So same number we can get here, 8 1. So if we add 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 1 10 and 1. So 100 point after number, so that is 1079 into one more number, that is 10.5. Okay, so yes, we have to do that. 5 zeros are 0, 5 nines are, sorry, it is 1.5, not 10.5, 1.5. 1.5 we can do directly by 15, later we can put a point. Okay, so 15 zeros are 0, 15 zeros are 0, 15 nines are it should be 135, 5 13, 15 sevens are 105, plus 15 will be 120, 12, 15 zeros are 0, 12 will be there, 2 in this, and 1, 15 ones are 15 plus 1 is 16. So finally point after one number, here one number, leave two numbers and put a point. So finally we got 1620.5, 1620.5 centimeter square. 1 minute, I'll check once again. 15 zeros are 15 nines are 135, 13, 15 sevens are 105, plus 105 plus 13 is 120, 12, 15 zeros are 0, 12, 1, 1, 15 ones are 15. Yes, correct. Sorry, this 0 is not there, no, here we want to put 16,205 centimeter square. The final answer is, these are the areas of all the circle. Hope you will understand. Thank you.